Welcome to Spanish Class 101. Today we will learn about animals. In a few moments, different animals will appear on your screen. You will hear their name and see how we write them. Try to repeat after me. Oveja, oveja. Turquía, Turquía. Caballo, caballo. Pato, pato. Gato, gato. Polo, pollo. Cabra, cabra. Cordero, cordero. Now it's your turn. Those same animals will appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to watch this video one more time. If you want to learn more about Spanish or learn about other languages, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a good day.